Now I want to install my GPT for Sheets extension in Google Sheets and set up my API key. So I've gone to my Google Drive and I've opened a new Google Sheet. I click on Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and where it says Search Apps, I want to search for GPT for Sheets and Docs. And the first result is GPT for Google Sheets and Docs. I click on that and it says uninstall because I've already installed it. I would click install to install it. So I'll X out of this. Now I want to set up my API key, that API key I created in OpenAI, and I copied and pasted it somewhere so I could access it in the future. So I'm going to click on Extensions, go down to GPT for Sheets and Docs, click Set API Key. And since I've already set up the API key, my screen is going to look different from yours than when you set it up for the first time. So in the notes for this video, I'll give you a link to a different video that shows you how to set up your API key for the first time.